A day tour in Gothenburg. We started the day with a quick shopping in Nordstrand Shopping Center. Then we had lunch in Kui Ramen along Magasenskaten Saint. I would rate this 9/10. I love it. Patton Boat Tour. I would say this is the highlight of our trip as we got to know some history and key landmarks. Plus the narration of our tour guide is really funny. We saw the Lipstick Building, aka the ugliest building in Sweden, but they are proud of it. The Maritime Museum, the Zipper, the Fish Church, and many more. I would rate this tour as 9/10 stars. I learned a lot in the city, and in a very entertaining way. Fika at Haga Old Town. This preserved 16th century street boasts a lot of souvenir shops and cafe. We had fika and drank beer under blankets. Next, we went to this amusement park with free entrance. To me, it feels like a temporary Liseberg while it's still closed. Dinner at Tavolo Bar. It's a bar with a large horse head at the center. It's very posh, like it's a bar for high society. The Davioli pizza is 10/10, totally recommended. That ends our day in Gothenburg. Thank you for watching. Follow for more fast travel vlog.